The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powerful new formula for supporting healthy weight loss and digestion. Unlike most other weight loss supplements, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powder you simply mix with water to make a delicious tonic, based on the tonic ingredients of one of the healthiest islands in the world, Okinawa. Taken before 10 a.m., the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic provides you with powerful antioxidants, digestive support, and metabolic support throughout the day, maintaining healthy energy and a healthy inflammation response all day long. The impressive blueprint that discusses the tonic's recipe also talks about other health-benefiting strategies such as those that improve your sleep, eradicate joint pain, and enhance libido. What comes first, health or happiness? Of course, these findings do not provide hard evidence of cause and effect when it comes to happiness and health. Those with a good sense of well-being are more likely to maintain good habits such as exercising, eating right, and getting enough sleep, and those with an optimistic outlook are more apt to engage in healthy behaviors since they see them as steps towards achieving their goals. Being overweight comes with one too many worries. Your health is always making you chase doctors, and there's also a risk of having further health problems. People who are obese are at a higher risk of cancer, heart disease, and brain attack. Moreover, it is the problem of confidence. The inability to fit into clothes, to look into the mirror and feel confident about the image looking back. All these issues make it prominent that a solution is needed for melting off excess pounds. Being said, among other weight loss strategies out there, one is Flat Belly Tonic. Flat Belly Tonic is a program that helps blast off excess fats without any pathetic supplement, any difficult exercise, or any strict diet plan. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains a number of antioxidant blends that have been shown in studies to help people balance their energy levels and reduce inflammation. Taking Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic every day is one way to ensure that the digestive system is working properly. Within just 30 days, you will be able to notice visible results. Know that all the ingredients recommended are natural and free of adverse side effects of use. The Okinawa program improves your well-being in the following ways. 1. Speedy weight loss. It doesn't ask you to risk your health or waste too much of your time. You simply are able to burn off excess fats by adding a weight loss tonic to your routine. 2. Enhanced energy. This plan also boosts your energy level. As metabolic activity is triggered, you naturally experience higher energy. 3. The focus. When your energy reserves are lacking, you experience a deficiency in alertness. Therefore, another benefit of it is that this product improves focus. Now, the fact that your energy is up, your focus is sharpened, and your brain performs better. 4. Overall health. This product maintains optimal blood pressure, glucose, and cholesterol levels. Moreover, this lowers your odds of getting cardiovascular problems and improves your overall health.